Book of Heaven, Volume 12, April 19th, 1919. Jesus did for each soul everything that they were obliged to do toward their Creator. Continuing in my usual state, I felt all afflicted, and my always lovable Jesus on coming clasped me and surrounding my neck with his arm told me,
"My daughter, what's wrong? Your affliction weighs upon my heart and pierces me more than my own pains. Poor daughter, you have compassionated me many times and have taken my pains upon yourself. Now I want to compassionate you and take your pain myself."
And he clasped me all to his heart, and drawing me outside of myself, he added,
"Cheer up, my daughter. Come into my will to be able to better comprehend and see what my humanity did for the good of creatures."
I don't know how to say what I comprehended. In many things, I lack the words. I will just say what my sweet Jesus told me.
My daughter, my humanity was the sole organ which reordered the harmony between creator and creature. I did for each soul all that they were obliged to do toward their Creator, not excluding even the very lost souls, because for all created things I was to give to the Father complete glory, love, and satisfaction. With this difference only, that for the souls who somehow fulfill their duties toward the Creator, as almost no one arrives at satisfying them all, their glory unites to mine, and everything they do remains as though grafted in mine, while the lost ones remain as though parched members which, lacking the vital humors, are not fit for receiving any graft of the good I have done for them, but are only fit for burning in the eternal fire. So my humanity restored the lost harmony between creatures and Creator, and sealed it at the price of blood and unheard of pains.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.